This presentation will explain you about the different phases of our global sourcing activity. The project starts with planning activity. Planning starts with capturing the customer's requirements. Detailed technical requirement specifications. Intended use of end product. Clinical significance. And risk factors. Usage of outsourced parts. Impact on end product. Integration specifications. Specific supplier qualification requirements. Regulatory requirements. And applicable standards. Quality plans. And acceptance criteria. Proposed quantities. And also the IP protection. We will maintain and share with you the objective evidences like identification of product and services, specifications, part requirements, procedures, work instructions, name and contact information of potential suppliers, documented list of the risks identified, documented process, and product controls for manufacturer and supplier. Selection of potential supplier based on technical competency and experience in respective domain. Infrastructure and facilities. Legal authentic entity. QMS. And product. Certifications. Awareness about regulatory compliance and requirements. Existence period in business. Turnover of the supplier. Present customer base of the supplier. After-sale service. Warranty terms. And commercial terms and conditions. We will maintain and share with you the information of the supplier like technological and operational capabilities, logistics possibilities, capabilities related to quality, technical risks while dealing with the respective supplier, selection criteria for potential suppliers, decision rationale, supplier evaluation, and acceptance is based on the product qualification which is based on technical, clinical, and regulatory requirements. It is done by collecting complete technical specifications including technical file, design dossier, risk management. It is also done by comparative analysis of technical requirement. Inputs versus existing product specifications. It is also done by feasibility analysis for customization to bridge the gaps in specifications costing, bill of material, and critical components listing. Supplier evaluation and acceptance is done by design optimization for customized items. Supplier evaluation and acceptance is done by critical process validations. Supplier evaluation and acceptance is done by prototype sample procurement and development. Supplier evaluation and acceptance is done by integration analysis, interfaces, operations and usability analysis, by verification against regulatory compliances, basic safety, and essential performance, including electromagnetic compatibility, EMC, medical device directive, standards for general safety, 3.1 edition, with collateral standards for electromagnetic compatibility, and other requirements which include the RoHS compliance, which focus on the restriction of hazardous substances, by pre-compliance testing, by clinical validations and literature review, clinical reports, by prototype approval and acceptance from customer, and by understanding the long-term availability. We will maintain and share with you the information of the supplier like documented evaluation and selection criteria, documented initial agreements, documents, and records, documented decision, and rationale. We will maintain and share with you the information of the supplier like contracts, purchase orders, etc., acceptance procedures, purchasing requirements, specifications, and requirements, records of review, and acceptance. We will maintain and share with you the information of the supplier like receiving records, inspection records, acceptance records, records of results of any analysis of data, and records of any corrections. We will maintain and share with you the information of the supplier like manufacturer and supplier correspondence, documentation, and records of corrective and preventive action process. For any query, please get back to us. We are happy to reply your technical and commercial queries. You can reach us by email and telephone. Our technical team will contact you immediately and understand your requirements. This is the email and telephone number where you can contact us. Also, you can get our other details on the website.